In this video, we'll be talking about basic rhythm. So up until this point, we've been talking about what notes to play, but we never discussed how long you should play them, when you should play them, and how quickly you should move on from them. This is where rhythm comes in. So today we'll be going over basic rhythm terms, a whole note, a half note, a quarter note, and an eighth note. But before we get into that, we have to know the tempo of our song. The tempo is the speed which the song is being played. This is going to be measured in beats per minute, also known as BPM. So right now, my DAW, I have my BPM set to 120. You can hear the metronome being played, and this means every single minute, this metronome is going to hit 120 times. The tempo of the song is going to be mainly decided by the genre of the song you're making. So a high tempo from 120 BPM to 160 BPM is good for trap. Something slow from 80 to 100 BPM is usually good for lo-fi and R&B. So anytime you hear 4 clicks on the metronome, that is the same length as a whole note. In hip-hop, you often hear people refer to it as 1 bar. Anytime you hear 2 hits on the metronome, that is a half note. Anytime the metronome hits once, that's the length of a quarter note. An eighth note is the 2 times speed of a quarter note. So let me give you an example. And here's what a half note sounds like. And here's the quarter note. And here's the eighth note. Yeah, so my timing was a little bit off on that one, but basically an eighth note, like I mentioned earlier, is 2 times the speed of a quarter note. Rhythm is also very important for melodies. Let's say we were to play some melodies in C minor. It would be really boring if we just played whole notes the whole time. Ideally, having an interesting melody line consists of having multiple different lengths.